The AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner (CLF-C01) exam is intended for individuals who can effectively demonstrate an overall knowledge of the AWS Cloud independent of a specific job role. Being an AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner is a recommended first step in achieving an associate level or specialty AWS certification, especially if you are quite new in the world of cloud computing. SPOTO provides you with valid CLF-C01 Q&As so that you can use to prepare for the exam on the first attempt. Now take this free updated CLF-C01 exam demo to check how prepared you are. With the help of our real-time updated CLF-C01 exam questions, it will become a lot easier for you to pass your exam. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and don't forget to contact us for the complete AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam questions.